Today I'm cooking a delicious chicken curry for dinner. It is very creamy and the taste well balanced, not too spicy, with a slight tang. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. The ingredients needed are 550 grams of chicken, washed and cleaned. Today I'm using chicken drumettes. 500 ml of water, 50 ml of tamarind water, 400 grams of potatoes, 100 ml of concentrated coconut milk, 110 grams of red onions cut into small cubes, 1 green chilli, 2 stems of curry leaves, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 stalk of cilantro leaves, 2 tomatoes cut into wedges, 4 tablespoons of curry powder. I am using a la capas as it is not too spicy. This is what it looks like. Half tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. These are the spices: 1 small piece of cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom pods, 5 pieces of cloves, and 1 star anise. 50 grams of garlic paste, 50 grams of ginger paste, half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of sugar, and 1 cup of cilantro leaves. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Put the chicken in a large tray. Sprinkle quarter tablespoon of salt and rub to marinate the chicken. Leave it aside. Heat the pan. Add in 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add in the garlic paste and the ginger paste. Wash the spices and add them all in the pan. Give it a stir. Add in all the curry leaves and stir for about 30 seconds. Add in the red onion cubes. Stir for about 2 minutes, or until the ingredients are soft and have released their aroma. After 2 minutes, the ingredients are now soft and release a lovely fragrance. Add in the chicken and stir to mix. Add in the potatoes and reduce the heat to low. Cover the pan and simmer for 10 minutes. This allows the chicken to release its juices into the gravy. Stir in between to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. After 10 minutes, the chicken has released quite a lot of juice and we have some gravy in the pan. Add in all the green chili, balance of the salt, sugar, tamarind water, coriander powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, and curry powder. Stir and mix until well combined. Add in 500 ml of water. Continue to stir until combined. Cover the pan and cook it for 30 minutes, stirring in between for an even cooking. After 30 minutes, the curry is boiling vigorously. The gravy has reduced a bit as well. Check the potato with the fork. Yes, the fork can go through. The potato is soft and perfect. Do the same with the chicken. Chicken is also very soft. Alright, both chicken and potato are soft and ready. Next, add in 100 ml of concentrated coconut milk and tomatoes. Stir to mix until well combined. Cover the pan and continue to cook for 5 more minutes. Alright, the coconut milk and tomatoes are cooked and the curry is ready. Give it a taste. Delicious! At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it's already perfect. Switch off the heat. Garnish with cilantro leaves for a lovely fragrance. Give it a stir. And we are done. A delicious chicken curry is ready to be served. Today I am having chicken curry with rice. Let's eat! Very delicious. The chicken is tender. Potato is soft and melt in the mouth. The gravy is perfect, really tasty and savory. Not too spicy. Children can enjoy as well. I really recommend this curry for a weekend meal. Happy cooking! Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!